To get started, we need to log in into Pathfinder. Type your user account and your password. After we authenticate, we can export our data to Pathfinder. Let's prepare the ArcGIS data for routing calculation. To do so, use the Export Project menu option and define the project area, start and end points, and the project resolution. Here is also possible to remove layers to avoid adding them to the project. With the same tool, we can set additional parameters to each layer, like ring distances. These distances represent the scope of spatial constraints associated to each layer. The selected layer data are exported and processed in the Pathfinder database. Now we can start calculating our results. First, we must calculate the resistance map. This represents the sum of our spatial constraints. It's possible to change colors as a typical ArcMap layer. The next step is to calculate the corridor map, which represents the most optimal areas for the routing. Here we can see the lighter colors indicate potential optimal routes. For the last step, we use the Calculate Paths tool. It's possible to choose the maximum and minimum pylon distance, the routing algorithm, and the length optimization factor. Here we can see multiple path candidates generated by the selected routing algorithm. All the results are available as local files and as layers in our ArcMap project.